Becca and I will be showing you wildlife and why we do not want the park. These are some mushrooms that just came a few days ago. And they're really, really cute, I think. They're really small. But still, they're wildlife. And I find that wildlife is very important. And we just lost a bunch of wildlife over there. So how about we show you some stuff over there. Like there's a log that's fallen over and no one's done anything about it, and we like it. Let's go. Here's some moss. Really soft. It's actually quite soft. Look around, there's a bunch of trees, and those are nice trees. Think into the future. What would happen if there's not enough trees to make enough oxygen? And so, there's a path down there. Why don't we show them the path? There's the path. It's a nature path. What I like about the path is that the path is just, it's natural, it's good. But if they had a playground, that would just wreck it. So let's go over here. They make a nice break. I personally kind of like this before. And here, Jane, why don't you say? You hear that? That's unnatural. That's chainsaw. So we'll just walk around the path. Yeah. Hear that? Now let's just take a minute to look around. It's pretty trees, right? Aren't they nice? Yes, they are. And we don't want them to be destroyed because, like I say, in the future we won't have enough oxygen. We're coming up to the bridge soon, and the bridge they made, but it's a beautiful bridge, I gotta admit that, but I kind of liked it before when it was natural. What about you, Jaden? What? Did you like it before when it was natural? Yes. I did. What about you, Brandon?
Yeah, I really liked it when it was natural.
And it's really slippery. Look at my feet slide.
Jaden doesn't like being videotaped, so.
Did you see him slip?
Okay.